and then here, destroy the nuts. Pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think pop, pop.
Yeah.
I like the jab. Honestly,
yeah.
to me. What's up, guys? Halloween OG Fitness. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, this channel is all about fitness for judo and martial arts for older guys. Myself, 47 years old, black belt in judo, blue belt in BJJ, and lifelong martial artist. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to use Atemi Waza to get close enough to judo throw in the streets without gi. Okay, so no gi. I'm going to read you guys the comment and then we'll get right into it. No gi throws that combine well with an Atemi Waza situation could be an interesting subject. Or maybe it's a coat situation and it's still gi. Like Atemi, that can then become throwing. No gi interest because I primarily do striking art. No transition in practice would be there. No transition in practice would be there. No, so transition in practice would be there. All right, guys. So this is what I would do if I wanted to close the distance and use my judo. I would jab, double jab. So jab, jab, and then my head, I would bring it in as close as possible. I would have one leg here in the middle, here, and then there you go. So I could also just, I think, jab and come in. So you want to come in with your arms inside. So one arm here and one arm here. And the head goes here to the chest. And then I could use my judo. That's one way of going about it. So once again, depending on your guy, jab, right? And then you come in, or jab, jab, come in. But you see, I'm coming in here. So I would be jab, come in. Once I come in, I grab the back, the waist, the elbow, and whoop, I'd finish the throw there. Now, the other thing that I would probably do is I would take a step, because I'm a southpaw, guys. So I would step out here. I would jab, throw the punch, and then I would come in here. So then depending on where his hands are, I don't know if you guys see, but I would be here. If I'm here, I can use my leg here, kosoto gake. Or if the guy's big and I go under, I would back. Now here, because my buddy is, I know he has a strong base and he's heavy, I would just go down, grab his ankles, and then push with my shoulder. So that would cause him to fall. I would hold on to either one leg or two, and then here. That's what I would do. So once again, maybe try it from this angle. So I'd be here, here, and then I'd come in here. Once I get to the back, I could also, if I wanted to do judo, block this leg, tanyotoshi. Sorry, let's come here. Like that, okay. Or like that. Or once again, drop down, grab them here. Pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think pop, pop.
Yeah.
I like the jab, honestly,
yeah.
to me, because it's an open stance, I would jab here
And then go inside.
and then come inside.
Yeah.
One jab, that's all I would need to get inside. I could even jab here and then come in. I could jab here and then come in, right? I don't need to do anything fancy. Or I could fake here, punch, come in. Let's do it on this side so that they could see. So I wouldn't even jab. I would just put my hand here, take my step. You see the step here. Try to crack him once. Come here. If he's a small dude, I might pick him up and slam him. But if he's a big dude, I would drop down and do this. Boom. And then here, destroy the nuts. But if we're here, boom, right? And then I would come in. So watch, I protect myself as I come in. Head to chest, and then here, you see, I could either have this, do my judo throw, I could do
No, it's better here.
soto like this, right? Or like that. I could also jab here, come in, jab here, come in, and my leg, I want it in between. And yes, I could do whatever it is that I feel like doing. And the grip is here, the tricep. And then the other grip, either here or here. Doesn't really matter, I think. And past the hip. Boom. And then even here, I could maybe drive him down to the ground. But that's how I would go about it to try to take somebody down in a street fight. Question. So what's your favorite technique to get into the clinch to execute a judo throw or some kind of wrestling takedown? Comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.